Hello everyone, welcome back to our PowerShell tutorial series. Today we are going to learn how to check the versions of the PowerShell installed on your system. Knowing the versions of the PowerShell you are using is important because different versions have different features and capabilities, and some scripts written for newer versions may not work on the older versions. So let's open the PowerShell and let's discuss that how do you check your PowerShell versions. So for opening PowerShell you can go through the start button and you can simply type PowerShell in your search bar, and you can click on the PowerShell and it will open the PowerShell window, or simply you can open the run prompt and just type PowerShell and press enter. It will also open the PowerShell window. To check the PowerShell version, it's actually quite simple. Basically, PowerShell provides an automatic variable called PS version table that contains information about the version of the PowerShell and that's currently running. So let's write command to check the PowerShell version. So if you want to get the all information related to the version, so you can simply just type PS version table. It will show you all the information related to the currently running PowerShell. And if you want to see the version only, so you have to add a few things at the end of the PS version table. So let's see the version only. For that I am going to use PS version table variable, put the dot operator and simply write here PS version. It will show you the currently running PowerShell version only. So just press enter and here you can see the current running versions of the PowerShell. So that's it for the today's session. In the next session we will continue exploring more features and capabilities of the PowerShell. If you have any questions or feedback, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Bye bye.